Can you block a YouTube channel? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial and see if you can block channels on YouTube. So, unfortunately, YouTube does not have a direct block channel completely button, just like some other social media apps. However, what you can do is you can stop a channel from commenting on your videos and you can stop seeing their recommendations and you can hide them. So, to do that, simply open YouTube and then navigate to the channel or the video that you find disturbing and then tap on the three dots you see there, and in the menu that appears, tap on the not interested option, and with this YouTube will not show that particular channel's video. Similarly, you can also tap on the three dots and tap on the don't recommend channel option you see there, and with this YouTube will no longer recommend that channel on your For You page. And if that does not help too, you can tap on their profile, and once you are on their channel, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen, and here you will see the option for hide user from my channel. Tap on that, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on hide user again, and with this you will no longer see that particular channel on YouTube. So these were a few ways on how you can hide someone's YouTube channel on your YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.